Citrix XenDesktop delivers a superior user experience that offers the best possible desktop performance. Unlike other desktop virtualization products, XenDesktop uniquely provides an unmatched, highly responsive user experience. Let's take a look at the superior user experience in detail. Using a desktop appliance configured for Citrix XenDesktop, the first thing a user sees is a familiar-looking logon screen. The user enters their credentials and clicks Log On. Citrix XenDesktop provides an instant-on experience to the user that starts up immediately, much more quickly than an actual dedicated PC. Within a few seconds, a user has access to a fully functional virtual desktop that feels exactly as if they were using a physical computer. For example, users can open a document by double-clicking it and launching the associated application. Use applications that include graphic-rich content and print the document in a normal fashion directly from the application. Locally attached printers can be made available to a user either using a native print driver or by using the included Citrix Universal Print Driver. When a user plugs in a USB drive into the desktop appliance, it is instantly detected and presented as a network drive to the user. Data can then be copied to the device for future use. In addition to Citrix's instant-on technology, XenDesktop provides access to virtual desktops from any device over any connection. Virtual desktops can roam from one physical device to another, allowing users to access their personalized virtual desktop regardless of their location. For example, when a user travels to a branch office or wants access to their desktop from home, they can log into their virtual desktop and continue working from exactly where they left. Citrix's XenDesktop technology enables a superior user experience regardless of the user's location or network conditions. XenDesktop provides a consistent graphical user experience whether the user is at a branch office or connecting from home. Here are a few examples of how using XenDesktop makes such a difference using a typical remote connection, such as a branch office or broadband connection. This first example is a desktop enabled with XenDesktop technology. Notice graphic operations remain clear and usable over a remote connection. The second desktop is supplied using a traditional remote desktop client and degrades to unusable when network conditions are poor. Here's another example of XenDesktop with audio and video content over a remote connection.
Citrix is entirely focused on the problem of delivering applications from a data center to users wherever they need to work.
The multimedia performance is excellent, even over a remote connection. Now observe a traditional desktop client given the same scenario.
Citrix is entirely focused on the problem of delivering applications from a data center to users wherever they need to work.
Much like the previous example, the experience is degraded and unusable. With Citrix XenDesktop, users get a superior user experience that provides them with the freedom and flexibility to access their virtual desktops from anywhere without loss of performance or device support.